Your background is something noisy right now.
Yes, actually, I'm at school. That's why.
Oh, okay. So may I know like about your business and a little bit? But first of all, I'm just like I want to little bit tell about ourselves. Uh, Actually, we run a marketing agency and that's called like Utana Media, and I'm the senior ad expert at this agency. So yes, of course, how we can like help you and what exactly things you are doing right now in your organization, and so enter things. I just request to you, please tell me so that I have an idea and I can give you the best solution. Yeah, please, ma'am. I didn't hear you. I cannot hear you.
Now,
Yes,
yes.
yes, right
As
now.
far as as far as the organization is concerned, it's a non-profit organization,
Okay,
which is a spiritual organization. Okay.
okay,
Here we are providing so many practices to attain some other levels, attain something like many things. Okay, we are doing something, some programs. We have some mini programs
okay.
for the persons, for the people. Okay. So now actually we have been here for last for a decade.
Hmm.
We haven't explored to this social media yet. We have YouTube channels and we do it everything ourselves only. Whatever the boost up we have, we will do what up to our knowledge. What we have, we are doing
Hmm.
everything ourselves. The thing is, now we have decided to reach our thing to many people.
Okay.
Because Shivan Rajayagam has come to this world for the good thing for this to do some revolution to this world. Okay, so
Yeah.
it has to reach many people. First, now we are in Tamil. So first we have to attain. We have to attract so many people in Tamil Nadu first.
Okay.
After that,
So
only we
your
can
your
focus across
targeted
India.
okay. Your
But
targeted location is like only for Tamil Nadu, right? At that time.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
That's perfect. Perfect. Okay.
Rituals, we have many programs. Okay, we have some basic programs. It is a all-time program. We can explain. We can give this ad all-time program anytime. But it is the Shivan Rajagam is not preserved by a normal person. It is preserved by Shivan like Omkar and other, and it is monitored by Siddha Purushas, yogis, rishis. Okay, so sometimes what happens within a week or we get some orders from rishis and yogis to get some kind of upashanas like deities upashanas like Mahalakshmi like that. When getting the order. So it is a pre-planned. Like this ads. Actually, we have a permanent ad. What the daily ads we have, which is a common thing. But certain things which comes from the order of the using of some deities that has to be given ad for within a week or within a 2 days like that. Example, if some deities comes appear for yogis and that has to be given, that upasana has to be given in a 1 week time or 10 days time. So we have to create the post, everything, and it has to be run at least for 2 to 3 days so that we can get some people. We get connected with some kind of people who are looking for such kind of thing.
Okay.
Do
Yes.
you understand? Because
Yes. Yes.
everyone is looking for the spiritual here. The spiritual is in different forms. Some people are looking for to attain the peace. Some people is looking for such spirituality to attain something. Yearnings for the material life like that to attract the money, whatever it is. Everyone has different desire. So according to that, our program is also changes sometimes. Okay, there is a fixed program on then and several temporary programs are there. The temporary program is designed according to the deities. Example, coming August 15, yes, 15, we are going to give Mahalakshmi Upashanas to the people. Yet we haven't pushed it. So we don't have enough time. From tomorrow only, we have to boost, and Monday evening a Zoom meet we have. So every people from Tamil Nadu will be connected in the community. So through community we will send a Zoom link. So we will give a presentation for Mahalakshmi. What are the benefits and pros and cons? What are the what is it? Boon you are going to get while doing that Vipassana like that on coming Wednesday, August 15th. August 15th is our election.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, August 15th we are going to do the Vipassana. So before giving 15, so we don't have enough time today.
Yes,
10,
yes.
tomorrow 11,
We
12.
have.
So 12, that we have 2 days only to get the confusion because Upashna is around 15,000. So we have to give explanation for that.
Hmm.
Because if we give the amount of 15,000, no one believes that because without knowing the organization, what kind of stuff it is, no person can take the decision quickly. We will get a random amount. We can a few people or any by luck only we can get. But if we make them clear, definitely there is a chance to reach many people. So that is why we have decided to make a community link to attract those people. They will be get connected to the community, and through Zoom we can bring in one bucket.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So
So.
we have the input is we have one YouTube channel. We have YouTube channel Shivan Raja Yoga. Now we have uploaded what is Varalakshmi Yoga, what is Varalakshmi Vipassana. We have
Okay.
video and we have a poster. Now we are creating and we will get soon in 5 minutes.
Okay.
The posters. So that posters and video has to be uh, given for the ad in Tamil Nadu.
Hmm.
We should cover within 2 days.
Hmm. Okay.
Is it possible?
Yes. Yes. Possible. Possible. So if we start immediately, so we need to like work on that as soon as possible, and it's can possible to run the ads immediately, no problem. And yes, of course, we are really happy to work with you, and as an immediate, as an your team. Okay, so you don't
Okay.
have to worry about all entire the technical support and all, and we will
Okay.
support you in the backend section. Okay, you don't have to worry
Okay.
about this part. Okay, so first of
Okay.
all, like you are going to run the ads on Facebook ads or Google ads. What kind of ads do you need right now?
What is the difference between Google ad and Facebook ad?
Okay, okay. Google Ads is a intent based ads. Intent based means whenever you think to buy something or whenever you think to know something. Let's say you are searching restaurants in near me or near you. Okay, so you are going to Google search engine, and then you just like written like this kind of like restaurants in near me, restaurants in Tamil Nadu, right? So at that time you are already like seeing lots of like results. So that is the like algorithm of the Google ads. Okay, so your traffic already searching for your service related keywords to get your service.
Okay.
That is the things related to the Google ads. Okay, and Facebook ads is a engagement type of ads. You need to create the market, then your audience will be attracted to with your like posting, with your videos, with your ad creative, then they are able to reaching to you, and they're getting the entire things and all, and you have an business deals, all that section. So that is the major difference between the like two ad platform. Okay, so if you
Okay.
are going to do that little bit awareness, little bit engagement, entire thing, so you should to go to the Facebook ads. And if you are thinking to getting the leads, so I'm just really prefer to suggest you to run the ads on the Google ads platform. So at that time, our like related to our conversation, I just know like you need like very much impact to your specific like actually if we do like getting lots of awareness and engagement, right? So at that time I'm just suggesting you
Okay.
to run the ads and Facebook ads to your local targeted location.
Now we are looking for. I think for this for okay, we are looking for you to
Oh,
run two kind of posters.
okay. Hello.
Okay. Two kind of posters. I don't know thing. I'm just asking. You just tell me after that. Okay, which one is okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
I don't have any idea about that.
Yeah, please, please.
Okay. Is my voice audible?
Yes, yes, yes. Audio.
Now we have actually we have a video for Mahalakshmi program, which is that initiation has been is going to be initiated on August 15th. Okay, but so the Zoom meet will be conducted Monday evening. The Zoom meet will be conducted Monday evening. So this Mahalakshmi video and poster has to be done for mainly from today. That is Sunday, Monday. No problem. It can be done until August 15th. No problem, because they understand. So we can conduct a Zoom meet as much as we can connect it with the people until Monday evening.
Oh, actually, you mean that like you have an like video, and that video already posted on your YouTube channel, right? And you want to
Yes.
like market this video and get the some leads, and who can like
Yes.
join your Zoom community, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So we can go ahead with the
And
YouTube ads.
we have posted. I'm just asking after that it is. So we have video. And now we have designed Varalakshmi poster also. That
Okay.
posters can be added, can be given ad for which one? Facebook, Instagram. We
Yes,
have
yes,
Instagram,
yes,
Facebook
yes.
and Instagram. That is more enough for us.
Okay,
For
okay,
video, we need YouTube only.
okay.
For posters and Yoga Shakti we have. Yoga Shakti is a daily program.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So we have two community links. We have two programs.
Hmm.
That is that. So one community is for Vara Mahalakshmi Upashana, another community for Yoga Shakti. So now we have two posters and one video. Two program. One daily program. One is a temporary program. It's a Vara Mahalakshmi program. So first we are going to focus on Vara Mahalakshmi program. We give a separate link, community link for that and posters to you. What we are looking for from your side is, so we have to run this for 2 days, 2 days or any days, but Monday evening we have a Zoom. So all
Monday.
the people from the Monday evening. So all the people should be connected to the community.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
Yoga Shakti is a general program. That program is going to be conducted September.
Hmm.
September first week. So that is a daily program. That is posted is enough. That posted you can we can give ad for a normal. It is not a specific time. That community link also will be given. This
Okay.
is what we need. So we have to now. What is the thing from our side, what we are expecting, we have two community links. One for Varamahalakshmi is a temporary program. One is for Yoga Shakti, which is a daily program. What everyone needs for the day-to-day life. So we have to this. So our higher end, what we are going to suggest, what we are going to submit a project is, now we have a demo from Utra. What is your media name?
Utrino Media. Utrino Media.
Utrino Media. From Utrino Media, what they are going to give demo is two community links. So we are going to using this YouTube media. Now we are going to see how many people could be connected with people. How we are going to be connected with people using this Utrino boosting.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
So
So we can show this to our higher authority people after running this. So definitely from the result we can speak the for the another we have so many programs, we can speak with you. That is cost based
hmm.
for monthly based.
Okay.
Do you understand what I tell? Do you have any
Yes.
communication problem?
No, 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 no. Actually, you haven't two kinds of programs. Okay. So first of all, initially you want to market two programs. One programs is daily organization programs, right? And another programs is like we haven't 2 days only to market it, right?
Example, Auspicious Day program. It says Varalakshmi Mumbai is coming fasting. So Varalakshmi is a great celebration is coming on, which is coming August next Friday, coming Friday.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it is based on auspicious like Diwali, Varalakshmi, Navaratri. There is a program like that. But Yoga Shakti is a daily program.
Yes, yes, yes. So we can go ahead with the two kinds of ads platform. One is YouTube ads and another is Facebook ads, and we will like integrate the Instagram ads also on the Facebook ads platform to getting your leads. Leads means like your targeted people will join to your Zoom community, okay.
Okay,
And
yes.
another is YouTube marketing will be run to getting the awareness and engagement, okay. So that two kinds of algorithm and two kinds of ad platform technology we can use to like
Okay, sir.
market your business or organization, okay. And you have a
Okay.
website.
We don't have website, but
I cannot hear you.
the process.
I
Yeah.
think in your side you have a network problem right now, am I right? That's why.
It is under process.
Okay, okay.
It is under process.
Okay, under process. Okay, so how many days like you can like your website will be like published and active? Actually, without website we cannot do anything. You also know, right? Because marketing is not like that. Like you don't have website and you are going to run your ads and all, because ads are really related to the like you need to have an one website, okay.
Okay, we have a website.
Yeah.
We have a website. I just check and come. We have a
Okay.
website, but we
Okay.
can't see all the details are not given. All details are not given yet. But we have a website.
Okay. Okay. So
Is
I
it
will.
possible? Is it okay?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I will make a strategy for your business, but I need your YouTube channel link and your website link so that I do little bit research on that and make a proper strategy, and I will show you how can I market your service and your organization. And that would be, I think that would be the real
Okay,
process
okay.
and the proper process, so that we can easily market your service and you can easily grab your target location and targeted audience.
So basic for digital marketing, basic is website.
Yeah, yes, of course. Like you have to present or your website.
Are you making app for app also app
Yes, yes,
Android app?
we do. Like we are providing
Okay.
entire digital marketing, but our specialty is paid marketing, like performance marketing, to sell anything, to sell something product and to sell something service. So that is our main specialty. But we also doing the lots of like service, like app development, YouTube management, and like graphic designs. So entire things we are providing, but our main specialty service is like paid ads, performance marketing. Yeah.
Have you ever designed any YouTube video, any videos like that? Have you
Yeah,
ever?
yeah. Lots of client we have, because we already doing this business
Have you ever
approx
designed any?
5 years.
If it's so,
Yeah.
if it's so, can you send one model to me? Okay,
Actually,
now
I.
I check and let you know the website. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Whenever you have an website, so please let me know, so that I can check it out and make a propose like make a one strategy for your business. Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Definitely.
Can you hear me?
Okay, so no problem. Once I check I let you know that website. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I
So
have to
you.
get from my people.
Yeah.
And then after that, shall we be connected?
Yeah, yeah. Of course. So
Okay, thank you.
if you have at that time your website, so please send us to this website and also your YouTube channel link also, so that I can research on that like particular things and make an easy process and easy strategy for your business. Okay, I think that would be the good in a process to getting the like good result. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay.